In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Doordash Dashpass subscription quickly and correctly. If you've decided Dashpass isn't right for you anymore, I'll walk you through exactly how to cancel so you don't get billed again and what to expect afterward. Start by opening the Doordash app and logging into the account you want to change. From the home screen, head to Account. On most phones, you'll find Account at the bottom right of the screen. Tap it to open your profile and settings. Next, look for the option labeled Manage Dashpass or sometimes Dashpass Subscription. The wording can vary a bit based on your app version, but it's the place where you see your membership details, renewal date, and benefits. Tap that to open the membership page. Inside, choose Cancel Membership or End Subscription. The app may ask why you're cancelling or show you a summary of what you'll lose. Review the information, then confirm your choice. You should see a confirmation message in the app. Keep in mind, cancelling stops future renewals. It doesn't usually remove benefits right away. In most cases, your Dashpass perks stay active until the end of your current billing period, and then your plan ends. Now, there's an important exception. If you originally subscribed through Apple or Google Play, you'll need to cancel through your device's subscription settings instead of the Doordash app. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions, find Dashpass, and select Cancel. On Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, select Dashpass, and cancel there. If you're billed by Apple or Google, cancelling inside the Doordash app won't work. If you don't see a cancel option anywhere, or something isn't matching what you expect, reach out to Doordash support. Use the in-app help center to start a chat, or visit the help center on the website to request cancellation by chat or email. Let them know you want to cancel your Dashpass, and they can assist. A couple of final reminders before we wrap up. Deleting the app does not cancel your membership. After you cancel, watch for a confirmation screen or notice and keep it for your records. And remember, your benefits usually remain until your current period ends. If you're on a free trial, cancellation prevents the trial from rolling into a paid plan after the trial ends, while any remaining trial access continues until that date.